Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to download ESPN Firestick. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. Now there are three options for watching ESPN on Firestick. You could use Roku Firestick, the Amazon Firestick, or alternatively, you could explore the Apple TV 4K. Now these devices will be connecting to your TV through a HDMI port, so make sure you have that. When you've gotten the hardware part out of the way, you'll need a subscription to any of the streaming services they provide. So whether it's Roku Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV, you'll be accessing ESPN content through the various streaming services like Hulu, Fubo TV, YouTube TV, and others, which can be found on each of these devices' platform. After getting a device and subscription to a streaming service of your choice, you can simply log in on your TV and enjoy your favorite shows. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.